What's going on, guys? Stevie from the Minute Masters here, and this is going to be the first in a series of quick fix videos. So for this one, I'm going to show you how to add these trim pieces back in. So on either side of your dash bezel here are these trim pieces, and you'll see they have this long one right here. So I've been missing this one because the tab on the back side broke off. Well, I was at the salvage yard, found a nice pair right here, so we're going to put them in. So it has these tabs right on the back, little like spring metal clips. So you just line the piece up here and you just push it and it snaps right in. And if you ever have to get the bezel off, that screw behind there is what you'll need to access. Now this one's installed, so I'll show you how to get it off. Trim pry bar, preferably use the plastic ones, doesn't mar everything up. This one doesn't do bad. There, just like that, pop right out. This one shot right out because it's actually missing the one on that one side there. So good to have that one replaced. We have our new one here. And snap. And just like that, we have a nice, complete dash. So I hope you enjoyed that video, guys, and you'll hit that subscribe button down there, hit like, and I'll keep these coming. I'm Stevie from the Minute Masters. Thanks for watching.